Hello everyone, I'm Prasad. Hope you're doing good. Currently, we are in a bad situation due to the pandemic of Corona, and everybody is under lockdown. I decided to utilize this lockdown to learn new things to advance my professional career, and got a spark in my mind that whatever I'm learning during this lockdown, why can't I share my learning with others? The moment onwards, I started sharing these videos. This is not the first video series, guys. I did first one on Ansible with Kubernetes. In that video series, I had talked about provisioning the Kubernetes objects using Ansible native way by using playbooks, Ansible roles, etc. I will leave the link in the description of this video. Just go and watch, learn something. Welcome to another video series on Windows Docker containers. In this video series, I'm going to talk about Windows Docker containers. I hope you guys are already familiar with the Docker containers in the Linux environment. There are a bunch of tutorials and videos are available over the internet, but very few videos on Windows Docker containers. So I decided to record videos of Windows Docker containers. Docker is gaining the popularity in the current IT market. I guess so many companies are adopted this technology, and so many applications are running in the production with the Docker containers. Docker is containerization technology, and let's try to understand the difference between a virtual machine and the Docker's containers. As you can see in the screen, on the left hand side, so the diagram is representing the virtual machine, and on the right hand side, the diagram is representing the Docker. So if you take any physical machine, on top of it, we can install the hypervisor. And on top of it, we can install the guest operating system. The number of operating system, it depends on the capacity of the physical hardware. And on top of it, we can install the applications that are required to host our applications. When it comes to the Docker, we can use the same physical machine, and on top of it, we can install the operating system. So in this series, we are going to talk about Windows Docker containers. That's the reason I just put the Windows operating system over here. So we can enable the Hyper-V to bring the virtualization to the operating system. And on top of it, we can have a Docker daemon. And with the Docker daemon, we can able to launch containers of Windows. By end of this video series, you will learn how to install Docker on Windows Server, how to launch and play around with the Docker Windows containers, and Docker stuff like volumes, networking, image creation, and Docker registry to store the Windows Docker images. And I have planned for a couple of applications to be deployed on the Docker containers. As you can see on the diagram, running Jenkins inside a Windows Docker container, and running PostgreSQL DB inside a Windows Docker container, and running the Git application inside a Windows Docker container. Without further ado, let's get started. That's it for this video. I'll see you in the next video. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Stay home, stay safe, and stay healthy. Let's learn together. Bye-bye.